Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, autonomous, accredited by NBA with A grade and NAAC and AICTE. Hindustan Scholarship Test 2020, Maths, Physics, Chemistry and General Knowledge, and the eligibility is higher secondary course or CBSE or ICSE, and the specialization is Physics, Chemistry or Maths PC, and the syllabus is 11th and 12th standard subjects, PCM and GK, and the question types will be MCQs, multiple choice questions, and the worth 2 crore on merit basis, and the percentage of scholarship is for greater than or equal to 90 percentage, you will get 75% scholarship, and for greater than or equal to 80, you will get 50% scholarship, and for greater than or equal to 70, you will get 25% scholarship. And the HICET has a objective of educating and preparing men and women for leadership in industry, government and educational institutions to advance the knowledge base of engineering professions and to influence the future directions of engineering education and practice. The educational programs in the college emphasize the understanding of fundamental principles and prepare an individual for lifetime learning and professional growth. Disclaimer: this information is collected from various sources on the internet only for the information purpose. The user is advised to confirm the accuracy of this data. The courses offered at HICET: Computer Science and Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Biomedical Engineering, Aeronautical Engineering, Automobile Engineering, Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, Information Technology, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, Agricultural Engineering, Civil Engineering, Mechatronics, Chemical Engineering, and Food Technology. The cutoff marks for various castes and various departments for HICET. For OC 143 to 171, for BCM 99 to 155, for BC 105 to 165, for MBC 93 to 160, for SC 91 to 124. The facilities at HICET. The library contains more than 61,700 volumes of books, 359 journals, national and international, 10,727 e-journals with seating capacity of 300 persons. The library resource center is fully automated and have specialized user-friendly library software called Libs Dolphin. The main aim of Central Library is to provide information services and access to print and e-resources to support the informational needs of the institute community. Cafeteria: a variety of hygienic food and snack items which includes cakes, juice, Chinese food, meals, variety rice, ice creams, etc. are served at nominal rate. It is mainly used by students and staff, and the separate common rooms for boys and girls staffs are available. Fitness center. For students to stay fit and healthy, the campus is equipped with gym and fitness center facilities. It has treadmill, exercise bikes, and more of the latest fitness equipment. Central gym for men is equipped with bodybuilding equipments. Both the gyms and fitness centers are open in the morning and evening hours. Hostels. The separate boys and girls hostel with necessary infrastructure and facilities is situated within the campus. Excellent hostel facilities are provided for students coming from various parts of the world. The ambience is so much of a home. Hence, the hostel can be called a home away from home. Care is taken to provide nutritious and hygienic food to all. There is a lot of variety in menu as hostel caters to students from all over South India and abroad. The hostel wardens give attention to every detail because they are present round the clock. Sports. The college has provided extensive playing fields and courts for all sports like basketball, ball badminton, cricket, football, handball, hockey, kabaddi, coco, tennis, volleyball, and athletics, among which the tennis and basketball courts are having well tended synthetic flooring. An indoor stadium is available for badminton, table tennis, carom, and chess. The individual or marital sports like boxing, judo, taekwondo, and silambam are also encouraged in the campus. Apart from these facilities, ample sport materials, commendable guidance, motivation, and coaching are given by the Director of Physical Education towards participation in various intercollegiate, interzonal, state, and national level tournaments. Placement at HICET. The major recruiters are Wipro, Tata, Consultancy services, Tata Sky, SAP, Airtel, Carrier Lancer, Bank of America, Cintel, LIC, JP Morgan, Delphi, Infosys, Mahindra, Hyundai, Genpact, Dell, Rane, IDBI Bank, Polaris, NIT, ING Bank, Bosch, NTPC, Aircel, Midas, JCB, BNP Paribas, BookMyShow, JP Morgan, Asian Paints, Cognizant Technology Solutions, Salesforce, Goldman Sachs, Honeywell, LinkedIn, Wills, Aditya Birla Group, Virtusa, and many more. The result comparison for HICET from 2018 and 2019. In 2018, it was 65%. In 2019, it was 63%. College counseling code for HICET is 2708. Contact college at 91422-2930-216 or 2611-833 or 2611-844. Website is www.hindustan.net/HICET. College is located at Ottakal Mandabam, Post Polachi Main Road, Coimbatore 641032. The mail ID is hicet@hindustan.net.